welcome to Vettri's Navratri series. Very pleased to meet you all with the second version of the new arrivals for this September. As I mentioned in my previous video, this month we have 4 new arrivals showcasing lovely range of new products specially curated for you for this Navratri. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing 10 new products that you can consider buying for yourself or a great choice of gift to be given to your loved ones for this festival season. Now, let me take you through the collection one by one. Let's get started. Presenting Swarnagalu, one of the most sought after products at Vettri, especially during Navratri. This time, we've gotten a very exquisite 3-step Golupadi that comes with red painting work and gold oxidized work on the side. Looks very classy. On top of which we've added beautiful murtis that comes with metal alloy and comes with gold electroplating work. These look exactly like gold, will not tarnish with time. This is something that comes in miniature size. You can set this up during Navratri, pack it and keep it after the Navratri is done. The first step has Ram Darbar. We have Laddu Gopal in the center and Kamadhenu. All 3 comes with a frame. The second step comes with Balaji and Padmavati. We have Lakshmi and Ganesha idols, which looks very classy. Finally, in the last step, we have Balaji Paduka, we have cow and calf, we have veil representing Lord Muruga, and finally Annapurni Devi. This entire set is priced at 2,890. Doesn't it sound super affordable for you to buy and set it up at home? Presenting very beautiful Annapakshi Diya in pure brass. This comes with tile work and comes as a set of 2. Looks very elegant to be placed in front of your Golu, or a great choice of product that you can own as a decor. This product as a pair is priced at 2,159. Presenting brass chowki. This one comes in a size of 6 by 3. Comes with very beautiful floral engraving work all throughout. A very solid piece, comes with 4 legs behind. Definitely very apt to be owned for yourself as part of the Navratri Golu, where you can place a beautiful brass idol on top of this. This particular product comes at a super affordable price of 990. Presenting a host of new curation for Navratri. I'm sure all of you associate Vettri with return gifts, and hence this video I'm going to showcase a lot of new products for Navratri. Starting with this very elegant and exquisite Korai box that comes with a magnetic strip. This one comes in assorted colors, comes with beautiful zari on the side, making it look very festive. This can be used as a trinket box or a jewelry box, and I'm sure a great addition that every lady will appreciate. And this Korai box is priced at 229. Presenting Potli bags. All these Potli bags comes with elephant print both in front and back, and comes with a bangle style holder, making it very convenient to hold and put to use. All these Potli bags come with a zipper, making sure that everything that you put inside stays intact. We have assorted colors available in this. All these comes with zipper and is priced at 125. Make your Navratri super special and very unique with Vettri's choice of gifts and return gifts. We have wide variety of decor products available for you to pick and choose from. And for Navratri, we have huge assortment of new arrivals. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for regular updates on new arrivals. You can go ahead and shop for all our beautiful collection on our website www.vettri.com. If you are in Chennai, Bengaluru or Hyderabad, I welcome you to visit our store. All our 4 stores are fully decked up with lot of new collection that we have brought in exclusively for Navratri. Presenting key hanger collection. We have wide variety of options available for you to pick and choose from. This is a product that has received amazing amount of love from our customers, given these look very classy, super utility, and finally most affordable. All these key hangers come at a price of 139. A super new product at Vettri, a Devi face that comes in small size. Most importantly, these are made of white metal, will not tarnish with time, comes with antique coating, will stay as is for many. This Devi face is priced at 99. Presenting very classy mirrors. These are decorative mirrors that you can buy and present to your loved ones as part of the Navratri festival. Gifting a mirror is considered again very auspicious and age-old tradition practiced for many years. All these decorative mirrors come in assorted colors and is priced at 49 rupees each. Presenting purse, these are super beautiful and super utility product. This comes with embroidery work, very vibrant color combination. We have assorted colors available in similar design. Comes with a zipper at the back and envelope style, making it very convenient to put to use on a regular basis. All these purses are priced at 99. The final one for today are these jute bags that are completely done in-house. We have two new designs curated for this Navratri. One that comes with Lakshmi print. All these comes with high quality jute fabric along with a handle, a velcro inside, a very apt size where you can include a tambulam and a return gift inside. We also have this Krishna print, looks very elegant and classy. I just showed you 10 products that we have gotten new at Vetri. All these products look very exquisite, comes with very high quality, and most importantly, we've always kept cost in mind. We want to make sure that we keep gifts very affordable and also ensure that your guests appreciate and put them to use. You can go ahead and shop for all our beautiful collection on our website www.vetri.com. If you are in Chennai, Bengaluru or Hyderabad, I welcome you to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection of gifts specially curated for this festival season. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.